In this video, I will show you how to turn on vibrant visuals in Minecraft. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, by turning on vibrant visuals, it's going to give you some cool lighting and shadow effects, and it also creates a cool reflection on the water. To get started with this, if you're currently in a game, what you want to do is pause the game, and then what you want to do is just save and quit. So you go back to the main menu. Then what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click onto the arrow so you're on the actual main menu, and then come and click onto settings. In the settings, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side and scroll down into see video, which is in the general section. Give a click onto video, and what you want to do is at the top you're going to see an option for graphics mode. This is going to be set to simple or something like that, so just give that a click and you're going to see an option for vibrant visuals. What you want to do is go ahead, give that a click, and once that's been turned on, just come out of your settings, click onto play and jump back into your world. As you can see, with vibrant visuals turned on, the game does appear a lot better. There's a really cool effect with the water, with like the reflection and things like that, and also you'll notice if we just go around the world that we've got some shadows on the animals and the trees and things like that, and the lighting in general is just a lot better. It's a lot brighter and it just looks really cool. So that is how to turn on vibrant visuals in Minecraft. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.